Hi all, welcome to the Haymar Product Spotlight. Today we're looking at the DMC WSP-1630. Fantastic addition to your toolkit. This is a pneumatic stripping tool, reliable, portable, and you can swap your mechanical ideal Stripmaster blade, customized and commercial, to do this. So the airline is simple. You plug it in, and here you have a valve. So with this valve you can then adjust the speed of the strip and the way to go, really. So this really came about with consulting aerospace manufacturers and subcontractors that they needed to get into them awkward areas and quicken up productivity. So we have this full demonstration. One point to say as well, it has a rotation head, so you can use it left or right-handed, and you can also have a wire stop here if needs be. As previously just said, we have full demonstrations of this with our field teams, so please do get in touch. We're happy to come here. We also have a compressor, so we can use our own air there, and we can test it out and make sure it's the right tool for you. So one of the key features, as I previously mentioned, as a pneumatic tool, this minimises the operations fatigue and carpal tunnel injuries, which is right through the industry, depending on how many strips you need to do. The fast and smooth stripping operation, like the mechanical one, can also be, like mentioned, this is where you can change the speed of the settings through the pneumatic speed control. So with the rotatable head as well, as previously stated, whether you're left or right-handed or in awkward spaces, you can get to your required space. If you need any more information, please contact us via our email or give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to help.